Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing an unboxing video. I purchased this before the quarantine period here in New Zealand. I think it was the Friday before. I can't exactly remember actually now, but I'm pretty sure we've been in a week. Yeah, but anyway, I purchased this before. It did arrive yesterday, and what this is, it's not a beauty subscription box, it's like a one-off box from a website called Beauty Review, and it's called the best beauty box ever, I believe. Yes, the best beauty box ever. Now I do have on their website, because in order to actually find this, it's a bit weird. So you go on the website and then you go under quick links, it's the fourth one down, it says beauty box. Okay, here we go. And then you click, there's a thing that says click here to shop our new releases, so I click that. How I actually found out that they were doing this was I am subscribed to their email list, so they sent me an email to say that they were doing this, and I thought, oh, that would be quite cool. So yes, they actually had two different ones that you could get. They had the natural brands, which was $79.95, or the new discoveries, which was $72.95. And if you wanted to buy both of them, they had a new release bundle, which was $120. So I got the new release bundle, so I got both of them. So it came like this, and I don't know if you can tell, this is one box and then this is another box. So I don't know which is which, but I'm pretty sure there should be something inside to tell me, you would hope. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. All right, so I've gone and opened that, and if you can see, there's two boxes like so. So I just need to pull out the boxes. Before I do that, I just wanted to quickly read what, because I can't actually remember what each one is. So if I just click on new release bundle, and okay, so it says here the box bundle is only available while stocks last or until midnight Monday. Okay, so yeah, they have sold out then, because I believe that would have been Monday just gone. Bundles can only be shipped to one address. Boxes and bundles cannot be swapped. Bundle consists of one natural brands and one new discoveries. Okay, and it says in these boxes you will find 13 full-size products. All products are from natural brands. All products are cruelty-free. A selection of gorgeous skincare and cosmetic products. The products have a collective retail value of over $460. Wow. All products in the box are from leading brands, and all of the products in the box are current lines readily available for purchase in New Zealand stores. And it says 2 boxes packed full of incredible products, so fabulous you won't know how you lived without them. The products in these boxes complement each other beautifully, but can also be introduced into your existing routine separately. You'll find brands you know and love, as well as brands you need to discover. We'll start with this one. So far I don't know which is which, but it doesn't really matter. So we'll just take both of them out, and we'll put you down there. Okay, so I've got my 2 boxes here, same size. We'll start with this one. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so I don't know what this one is, because I don't see a card or anything like that straight off the bat. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's a card or anything to say what you've got. So I will refer to the website. But anyway, we'll just start with, so this is how, before I take anything out, I'll just show you guys what it looks like. So this looks like that. Oops. Wait, let me just move that in there. Alright, so we'll start with this one anyway. So this is the Art of Organic Skin, and this is a Radiance Serum. Oh, okay. So that's how it looks. Interesting. So this says it's for normal/dry skin, deeply nourish, repair, hydrate. Okay. All right, so this one says use under a moisturizer to seal the natural actives into the skin. Very cool. Okay, next we have this feels like nothing's in here, but there is. Okay, so this is the Trilogy for dull skin vitamin C revitalizing eye gel. Refresh, hydrate, and brighten with vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and aloe vera. And that's what that looks like there. Very cool. Oh, I love a good eye gel. Right, next up we have the Active Age Defense Resilience Day Cream. Oh, okay, that sounds really nice. Oh wow, so it's got botanical actives, green coffee oil, kiwi fruit seed oil, red vine extract, iris root extract, and shea butter. And that's how that looks. Okay. Oh yes, we have a lip gloss. So this is by, oh goodness, Dr. Hauschka. I don't know how to say that. I'm sorry, I'm probably butchering it. But anyway, it's a lip gloss Radiance in 00. I don't know if that's the shade. Oh, okay. It is, the shade is 00 Radiance. And that's what it looks like. I don't know how to say that name. Dr. Hauschka, I think. I don't know. Sorry if I'm totally getting that wrong. Oh, it's like in German. Oh, here's English. Shine and shimmer. This light silky lip gloss adds a transparent shimmer to the lips. Oh, add on its own or as a finishing touch to lipstick. Very cool. I love lip glosses, so I think I'm going to enjoy that a lot. Okay, next we have LaBonics, The Art of Organic Skin Renew Resurfacing Pads. Wow, this has lime pearl, marshmallow, witch hazel, and jasmine. That sounds pretty cool. Very nice. So this one, I'm pretty sure is this. Yes, it is. It's the same brand as this, The Art of Organic Skin. So this one is Renew, and it says ageless, regenerate and smooth fine lines. Interesting. Very cool. All right, and the last thing that we have, Linden leaves. I have only heard of this brand in my other beauty subscription box. I believe it is the, what are they called? Oh, My Treat beauty box. I got a product from Linden Leaves, and this is Linden Leaves Skin Refining Cream Cleanser. Cleanse and refine. Very nice. I do need a cleanser. Oh wow. Okay, so this is how that one looks there. Very nice. Now so how much is that? It's 3, 4, 5, so that's 6 products. Out of all of that, I do like what they've put in there, but there wasn't much beauty stuff, because it did say, if I just double check, it was, yeah, skincare and cosmetic, but there was only really one cosmetic in that one, the lip gloss, and the rest was all skincare, which I don't mind, but I thought that maybe, considering there's 6 items, 3 cosmetics and 3 skincare items, but that's all right. Right, let's open up the other box that we've got. I'm hoping there's going to be more cosmetic items in here, but we will see. Okay. Oh, looks like we've got some more cosmetic stuff in here, so I'm excited, hopefully. So that's how we're looking at the moment. Oh, you can't see. There's like a mascara here. That's what I was trying to show you guys. But that's what the box is looking like. Very cool. So we'll start off with the mascara. So this is the Rimmel London Scandaleyes Volume On Demand Mascara. it says customize your volume from soft to bold, layer it up anytime, and it's clump free. I love mascara, so I'm very excited to try this. So we've got a mascara, and then we have these two, what are these? Dr. Lewynn's. So one is a Ultra R4 Collagen Plumping Lip Mask. Oh, okay. And that's how it looks there. Interesting. And then the other one we have is the Line Smoothing Complex S8 Hyaluronic Acid and Caffeine Under Eye Recovery Masks. Okay. Very nice. Okay, the next, oh, we have another Linden Leaves product. That's really cool. I'm glad that I'm really experiencing like some of their range. So this is the oil cleanser and eye makeup remover. Okay, and it says cleanse and nourish, and that's how it looks like there. I do love their packaging, very sleek. Ooh, I see an eyeshadow. So this is the Glitter Chrome eyeshadow by Mellow. I have used, I think it was an eyeshadow or an eyeliner or so. I have used this brand before years ago, and I'm pretty sure I did like it, so I'm sure I'm gonna love this. So Glitter Chrome, and does it have like a shade? Copper. Okay, it says using fingertips or brush, apply glitter eyeshadow over eyelid, layer the formula to build intensity, replace inside disc before recapping lid. Okay, well, where do I open this from? Let's open it from here. Oh, already I love this. Oh yes, oh yes. Just look at that underneath. How good does that look? I love the packaging. Look at that. Oh, and then let's open. Ooh, how pretty. Oh yes, I'm gonna love this. I can already tell. Oh, that's awesome. Right, next up we have the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Filler and Hyaluronic Acid. And what is this? This is a 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid anti-wrinkle serum. Visibly hydrates and smooths, replumps wrinkles, and it's got their minus 47%. I mean, that's a bit of me, definitely. I'll be very interested to try this. Okay, we've got the very last thing in here is the Glam by Manicare Glam Xpress Adhesive Eyeliner and Lash Kit. Oh, is this the one that's like magnetic or something? How does that work? Well, it just says adhesive, it doesn't say magnetic. Apply eyeliner and press lashes on top for instant application. And this one is natural. 2 crisscrossed mink effect lashes and 1 black adhesive eyeliner. That's very interesting. Wow, so that's what it looks like. And that's how the lashes are. That's very cool. I am very excited to try this actually. But yes, that is all of the products that we have. Let's go and read. Okay, so both boxes are 13 products. So we've got the 6 there, and then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we do have our 13 products. Awesome. Now, which one had the lip gloss? This one. So the one with the lip gloss, the Linden Leaves cleanser, Radiance serum. Okay, so you actually would have gotten either or. So I got the, which one did I get? The day cream? No. Yes. So I got the Age Defense day cream, but you could have also gotten the Evolu overnight cream. So I got this one. And then for the Trilogy one, I got the Vitamin C Revitalizing Eye Gel, but you could have also gotten the vitamin C skin polisher, so they give you one or the other. Okay, yeah, so there's the 6 there, and then the one I just did, that's the new Discoveries box. Very cool. Awesome. Well, I'm very happy with that. I did really think there would be more cosmetic items, but I mean, we did get a lip gloss, mascara, eyeshadow, lashes. Yeah, I mean, that's still pretty good. So I'm very excited to try these, and I definitely will be doing some reviews on the products later, so keep an eye out for that. But otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my future videos. Bye.